Okay, y'all, we are at the at-home store. About to run in here and see if we could find a table for the porch and maybe a couple of pillows. I don't feel like going to Walmart to get the pillows like I already currently have. So we gonna run in here and see what they have. Hopefully it's reasonable prices, but let's see. The at-home store. These little tables. Why is this so cute? Then you got popcorn. That's so cute. They all $79. They got a burger. Then it's a watermelon. French fries. This is so cute. Donut. And then they have this lemon table. These are so cute. Wow. Okay, they have this little table. It's a folding wicker table for $60. That's a bit much of what I'm trying to spend right now. This music, of course, is loud. These pillows are super cute. And these are outdoors pillows. I like the white. $30 for the pack. Let's see. We got the little bean bag. Okay. This little thing, $19. Got these covers. Let's see what else we could find. This table set, $60 as well. Okay. Yo, these big old planters are so nice. $30. This one's $40. And then this huge one is $150. I like that. This one is $119. It gives that whole, but it's plastic. Love those. They got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so here got some little tables. And this is what we're looking for. Something simple to go in the corner outside. Let's see if we can find something for like about $20. Nothing too expensive. These are cute. What's the price of these? $40. Yeah, no. That one is $50. This is. Give it up. Had about enough. Look at these little pigs. That goes in the garden. At home store. This one right here, I love these. See these? This one says I don't remember planting this. These are so cute. And these have like the names of it have mint, rosemary, thyme, all that. And then this one says please don't die. Grow up. Proud plant parent. These are so cute. Welcome to our hive. These are cute. I found it, guys. $20. Look at it. Perfect. I found it. Now let's get a black one. We found it. Just something simple to go on the porch, to go in between my rocking chairs I just bought. These are perfect. Yay! $20. Let's get her. Look at the porch outdoor dogs. This music is so loud, so hopefully you guys can hear me. This one is super cute for 40, and then he's 30. I'm gonna show y'all my favorite one. Oh, look at her and all her hair. Isn't she cute? Then you got this one, the little hot dog. This one, I don't know about the hair. It's so fluffy, so cute. Then they got the cat. The little monster would love that. Y'all, this one looks so realistic. It's 50. Oh my goodness. Then check this one out. Then you got the black and white one back here. More of the cats. This one. They are so adorable. Check them out, y'all. Super cute. Not finding no pillows. The pillows on the other side wasn't given the colors that we are looking for as well. They had one black and white one, but it didn't have a price tag on it. They have all these out here. We already have this stuff in the yard we done put down. I'm gonna look at these. Let me show y'all. Oh, look at the doggy. Let me show y'all the doggy. He's so cute. Okay, so here go the outdoor pillows, and our colors is black and white, and also the lilac lavender color. They have that one black and white one down there, and it don't have a price on it, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But I might have to wind up going back to Walmart to see what they have that's in the lilac colors as well. Or just go with Walmart again to get the black and white ones, because they only had the one in here. But look at all the little outdoors things. Let's look and see what we can find to add to the porch. If we see anything that we actually like. I am into like turtles. The little monster got me into turtles, and I also like of course y'all know I like dogs, so if we see something that's got the turtles or the dogs, I am so into it. This is cute, but I don't really care for that one. There's a dog who don't like that. Y'all remember we seen this one before? It was super cute. Look at these dogs. These are so cute. Then you got the one right here in the basket. I kind of give farmhouse, and I don't know if I want that on my porch. This one is so cute. This one is too cute, but I don't know about that one either, y'all. So let's keep looking. Okay, y'all, so we have the lilac outside again. As you can see, y'all, these are cute, but they are 14 a piece, and I'm not trying to spend that much for them to go outside and get messed up. This one right here is $10, but I'll prefer this one, but it's extra $5. I'm not trying to do that right now. Let's see what else they have. They have this one down here. It's apparently stuck. It's apparently stuck. Oh, this is cute. What does it do? 19 for the outdoors. This is cute. This will go good on the porch. This is cute. A little lantern. That is so cute. Okay. Solar power outdoors. Those are cute. $14. Definitely need those. Okay, y'all, this whole little area is my theme right here. But this, I don't need this though, but this is so cute. It's 23. And then I'm not into the gnomes. I'm not a gnome girl. This one is $12.99. So cute. I really like these, but I don't know if I want to spend $20 on some lights just to sit on the table. Y'all, I'm being cheap. I ain't gonna lie, I'm being cheap. I was trying to look at that pillow, but it's stuck. But let's see what else they have. Okay, y'all, here's the table. Here's the furniture on the porch. I want to switch sides though. We ain't gonna worry about that right now. But it fits. It fits. A little $20 chair with little, I think these things was like $30 from Academy, $30-$40. Yeah, and it looks good on the porch. Yeah, we're gonna decorate the porch, so we're gonna look out for that video coming out next. But yeah, the table looks good. I'll take all this stuff off when I actually put it out here. I just wanted to let y'all see what it looked like out here. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.